Good morning to all of you, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Tarun Mishra. I am a student of class 10th A. As we all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation called as Republic Day of India. I would like to give a speech on Republic Day in front of you. I am excited to say something about our country on this big occasion of Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January from 1950. Today, we all are here to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day of our nation. India got independence since the 15th of August 1947, which is celebrated as Independence Day. And on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force, so we celebrate this day as Republic Day of India. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and the only public has the right to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in the right direction. So India is a republic country where we people elect our leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot to get our freedom back. They have struggled so that their future generations may live without struggle and lead the country ahead. In India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of caste, creed, religion, beams with joy and happiness. The entire country is laced in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. Republic Day reminds us of our struggle, how the Indian National Congress, with the help of youths, achieved its demand of Purna Swaraj. The struggle for freedom was based on some high principles and ideas such as non-violence, cooperation, non-discrimination, etc. It also reminds us of the sacred values enshrined in the Constitution of India. It is a day of national pride. Display of grand military on the Republic Day parade reminds us that the security of our territorial sovereignty is the outcome of many sacrifices. Thanks.